In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify your DNS settings using Google with just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to enhance your internet security, improve browsing speeds, or resolve connectivity issues, changing your DNS can help. Let's get started and walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Windows settings on your computer. To do this, move your cursor to the Start button, which you can find at the bottom left of your screen. Give it a click, and then look for the gear icon that represents Settings. Those of you familiar with the Windows interface will know this is your centralized location for all things configuration related on your system. Now that you've entered the Windows settings, direct your attention to the Network and Internet section, which is where you'll find all the tools needed to manage your network connections. Go ahead and select it. Here, you'll see your current network settings displayed. This is helpful in understanding what changes you might be about to make to your setup. Once inside the Network and Internet section, you'll notice options like Ethernet and Wi-Fi. Click on the one relevant to your current network connection. If you're on a wired connection, choose Ethernet. If you're using wireless internet, opt for Wi-Fi. Under whichever connection you select, look for the DNS server assignment option. Here, you're going to make a small but significant tweak. Click on Edit to shift the DNS server settings to manual. Make sure to toggle the switch for IPv6 to activate it. This step is essential for inputting your new DNS settings. Now for the preferred DNS for IPv6, type in 2606-4700s-4700s-101. This is a secure and reliable DNS server that is recognized for its speed and privacy benefits. Next, move on to the alternative DNS field and enter 2606-4700-4700-1001. This serves as a backup to ensure you maintain connectivity if the primary one experiences an issue. Once you've filled in these details, don't forget to click Save. This confirms your changes and updates your system settings. With that, you're all set. Your new DNS settings are now in place, and you should notice an improvement in your online experience. This process may seem technical at first glance, but as you can see, it's straightforward when broken down into easy-to-follow steps. By regularly updating your DNS settings, you help protect your device from unwanted interference and potentially enhance your browsing speed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you optimize your internet setup. If you found this guide useful, be sure to stay tuned for more tech tips and insights. Happy browsing!